The other day, I received a comment asking if it's possible to connect the Yamaha PSR-E453 to Logic Pro. And I thought, well, I do have a MacBook. So yeah, why not make a video about it? But then I realized something. I don't actually have Logic Pro installed. Okay, let's check it out. Wait, what? It's $200. What about the iPad version? I think that one is subscription based. Let's see. Never mind. At this point, I was even thinking about borrowing an iPad. But then I came across a YouTube video saying Apple is introducing a subscription called Apple Creator Studio for $12.99 per month. Sounds interesting. The only problem is it's not available yet. It comes out on the 28th. So we wait. Honestly, I've been waiting for something like this for a very long time. Okay, it's the 28th. Let's see how this works. This subscription includes more than one app. But for this video, I'm only interested in Logic Pro, so let's install it. Nothing special here, pretty straightforward. Now, before we connect everything, we're going to need a few things. First, a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Second, a USB cable like this. This is basically the same cable you use for a printer. So if you don't have one, just look for a printer cable. It should work just fine. And of course, the Yamaha PSR-E453. This keyboard is already kind of old. I think I got it back in 2018, maybe. I don't really remember exactly, but it's still working just fine. It only has 1 or 2 broken keys, that's it. Not bad. Before we connect in the keyboard, we need to change one setting. On the keyboard, we press function, then we look for function number 52, and we press no on the keypad. What this does is disable the internal keyboard sound, so the keyboard sends only MIDI, not audio. One thing I really like about this keyboard is that it also works as an audio interface. That's why I use one of these audio jack adapters to listen to the sound. Okay, now we can connect the keyboard. The good thing is no drivers needed. It should work just right away. All the sound will come through the keyboard, so you can use headphones or just use the keyboard speakers. Now, I'll be honest, I still don't really know how to use Logic Pro. That's not the point of this video. I just want to show that yes, you can use this keyboard with Logic Pro. So once we open Logic Pro, we create a new project. Let's just select this one for now. And now, this is the most interesting part. This is what this video is really about. We go to settings, then general, then audio. Here, we tell Logic Pro that we want the audio output to be our keyboard. So we select digital keyboard, which is the PSR-E453. If you have other audio interfaces, they will show up here. Next, we click on MIDI, and here we also select our keyboard. Again, if you have another MIDI controllers, they'll appear here as well. Just make sure the keyboard is selected, and that's it. This is how you can use the Yamaha PSR-E453 with Logic Pro in 2026.